In the twilight of your career, a new dawn awaits. Starting over after retirement isn't an end, but a thrilling beginning. Picture this, a world of possibilities ripe for the picking. You've mastered the art of the spreadsheet. Now, how about mastering the art of painting? Or you've navigated the corporate jungle. Perhaps it's time to navigate the literal one as a travel blogger. Those with a knack for numbers might find joy in tutoring young minds, while the linguistically inclined could pen the next bestseller. Remember, retirement is not a full stop, but a semicolon, a pause before you launch into the next exciting chapter. So don't just retire from something, retire to something. Your skills, experience, and wisdom are your arsenal. Use them, expand them, share them. This is your moment to shine anew in ways you've never imagined. Life begins at retirement. Embrace it. Thrive in it. #retirement, #reinvent, #life after retirement, #new beginnings, #art, #education, #experience, #happiness.